Today's recipe is moth bean sprout curry. Take a kadai, take oil 2 teaspoon, half teaspoon mustard, half teaspoon jeera. Let it fry. Ginger garlic paste 1.5 teaspoon. I have smashed in the stone only, not in mixer. Finely chopped chilies, green chilies, curry leaves. Mix it well. Finely chopped onion 1 or 2 as per you like. So fry it well. Now moth beans. I will tell you how to prepare moth beans sprout. So fry it in oil only. So this is a coconut groundnut powder. You can take 2-3 spoons. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder 2 small spoon, and turmeric 1 small spoon, and gurad, whatever I added little bit black, that is a gurad, optional, you can add or you can skip. Tamarind water 1/4 cup, and tomatoes 1 or 2. Add salt as per the taste. I have taken the rock salt because we are adding water, it will melt. Organic jaggery 1/2 teaspoon. So mix it well. So how to prepare moth beans I will tell you. This is hot water. Cold water and the taste will reduce, so I am adding hot water. You also can try it. You can check one time hot water and cold water how it will taste, so you will understand. So close the lid and allow to cook. Moth beans preparation, you have to keep one day before, you have to keep moth beans in water. Night you can remove the water, tie it with a cotton cloth, and keep it in a tight container. So next day the sprouts will release, so you can prepare the curry. So our already moth beans is ready. Add finely chopped coriander. You can see it is a very healthy, tasty. You can try it once, guys. This is a very healthy. If you are liking my videos, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. You can see the color. This is a very tasty and very quick recipe. Just moth beans will take time, so you can prepare it. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.